Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Okay, we're installing a Fluidmaster 14x14 click fit excess panel. It says to cut along this dotted line, and then that is your template. So, blew away. So that is supposed to be a 13 3/4. Set my depth so it's just the thickness of the siding. Get a screwdriver or something and pry bar that out. Nails right there. Let's get a hammer. What? That's why the screws are holding it. So the hammer will break the screws off. Okay, we're not turning those on until such time. That's right. Okay, we'll clean all this up and snap that back in there. Away we go. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.